In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export AutoCAD to PDF with layers. If you've ever shared a drawing and wish the recipient could turn layers on and off in the PDF, this is exactly what you need. Keeping layers in your PDF makes it easier for others to review, measure, and print selectively without altering your original DWG. Start by opening the plot window. The quickest ways are pressing Ctrl+P on your keyboard, or typing plot in the command line and pressing enter. This brings up the plot dialog, where all your print and export settings live. Next, choose the correct plotter. Under Printer Plotter, select DWG to PDF. This is AutoCAD's built-in PDF driver, and it supports exporting layer data. If you pick another printer or a third-party driver, you may not get layers in the final file, so make sure DWG to PDF is active before moving on. Now look for the PDF Options button associated with that plotter. Click PDF Options to open the configuration window for your PDF export. In this window, enable the setting labeled Include Layer Information. This is the key switch that tells AutoCAD to embed your drawing's layer structure into the PDF. With this turned on, anyone opening the PDF in a viewer that supports layers, like Adobe Acrobat, can expand the Layers panel and toggle visibility. Keep in mind that including layers can make the file a bit larger, but the flexibility it provides is usually worth it. With that set, adjust your plotting settings. Choose the right paper size to match your layout or print requirements. Set the plot area to what you need, layout, extents, or a window selection if you only want a specific region. Pick your scaling, whether that's fit to paper for quick outputs, or a precise scale like 1/100 for formal sheets. Also, confirm orientation so the drawing isn't rotated unexpectedly. This is a great moment to use the preview option to confirm everything looks correct before committing. When your settings look good, click OK to plot. You'll be prompted to save the PDF. Choose a clear file name and a convenient location. AutoCAD will generate the PDF with your layer information embedded. That's it. You've exported a PDF that preserves layers, making it easier for collaborators to control visibility and review your work more effectively. If you open the PDF in a compatible viewer, you'll see the layers listed and ready to toggle. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps streamline your AutoCAD to PDF workflow.